Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I'm at the farmer's market today and I'm leaving my bouquets in the containers because it feels windy already. I'm just gonna wait and see how the day goes, but the wind is going this way, which usually blows all of my arrangements off the table. So I thought, well, I'll just leave them and I'll hold them up for people as they come by and are looking at them. So not the best display, but at least they won't be falling all over the ground. Number 3. Number 6. Number 5. Number 2. Okay, we have number 1. Number 4. Successful farmer's market. I sold out, so that's awesome. And I thought I'd give you a quick update on the cosmos. So the one that was just a bloom fully opened today, and this one fully opened. That was the one that was just a bud before. And as you can see, some of these other buds are starting to open as well. And this one must not have been, it must have been spent not opening because it's not doing anything. But I have, this one's opening. And even some of these tight buds, I think, are starting to open. Look at that. So the cosmos are opening and starting to become little cosmos flowers. Check it out, day 5. Here's my little bloomed cosmos. So right when all the other flowers are starting to die, this little baby's gonna open up and make your arrangement look a little bit prettier. This one opened up, this one opened up, this one's opening. These were like ones that were dying earlier that I never plucked off. I've got these 2 in the back that were opening. So as you can see on day 5, if you do the cosmos at the bud stage, you're gonna end up with flowers in your vase. On day 4 or 5, I mean, if you pluck these off earlier, they probably would have bloomed faster. And then we've got this one over here that's still opening. So, ooh, dinner. So what I'm gonna do is, it's day 5, so I'm gonna recut the stems, give it some more water with flower food, and see how they do. So, like I told you yesterday, the farmer's market was a success. That's awesome. I was kind of surprised at the order of the bouquets this week. First, the yellow one went, and then the purplish colored one went, and then the orange one went. So I think people are getting ready for fall. I think the 2 pink ones that were in the pink vases with pink flowers, those were going first almost every single week, and now they were the last 2 chosen. More fall colors, more darker colors are being chosen. So I think people are getting ready for fall, which is exciting. So it was a great day, sold out. Can't ask for better than that. So one of the vendors bought my first bouquet, and a different vendor bought my last bouquet at the market. So that's awesome how we all kind of support each other at the farmer's market. I love that. And then today I woke up and it was raining. We got 2/10 of an inch. I did come out and I picked some of my jalapenos this morning out of my own garden, and I made stuffed jalapenos. I dig all of the seeds out and I kind of scrape off a lot of the white membrane so they're not as hot. And then I just mix up some sausage, some seasonings, and some cream cheese. I stuff the peppers with that. I put a little Colby Jack on top and I wrap them in bacon, put them in the oven at like 415 degrees for about 25 minutes. They're so tasty. And then I grabbed a green pepper out of my garden, and then I had an onion from the farmer's market, and I had some tomatoes out of my garden, and I put some pasta salad together. So I just kind of spent the morning cooking and doing that, and then when the rain stopped, I came out and I picked all of my tomatoes, and I threw a lot of rotten ones away, and I picked a lot of weeds out of there. And then I went to the farm and I made my bouquets for the coffee shop on Monday, but I didn't do anything else at the farm but make those bouquets. So tomorrow I have a florist order and I have a lot to harvest. I saw a ton of zinnias tomorrow, so I'm excited to show you kind of the row of zinnias, and they went crazy. 2 tenths of rain and just a lot of heat. They're doing really good, so I'll show you that tomorrow. So I'll just end this video with a little slideshow of the bouquets I put together for the coffee shop, and I hope everybody has a fantastic day.